Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am doing Bantu knots. Subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share widely. I started by parting my hair into triangle parts, and I have to admit this was the hardest part for me, getting the perfect triangle shape. It was kind of tricky, but I just kept going. I realized that Bantu knots do not necessarily have to be triangle parts. They can be triangle, they can be square, they can be rectangle, they can be a mix of all three. And for me, I just worked with what I could manage. Also, this is like the second time of me doing Bantu knots. The first time I did with square parts, and it was Bantu knot twist outs, and it's my first time doing triangular parts. While doing this hairstyle, I was curious about its origin, so I went on Google and did some research. I found out that Bantu knots have a rich history that dates back to the Bantu people of Southern Africa, and Bantu knots were popularized by the Zulu tribe. Bantu knots are also known as Zulu knots. It is truly remarkable how so many iconic hairstyles have roots in Africa. When doing this hairstyle, remember to be gentle and do not tie the knots too tightly, otherwise it will be painful. If you've watched this far, subscribe to my channel and do give this video a thumbs up. This being my first time, I actually like how it turned out. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one.